Arti ma'am, you can start.
Yes, ma'am.
राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम। राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम।
Good afternoon, everyone. I welcome you all to our virtual Dashera celebration. Dashera is a Hindu festival that marks the culmination of 9-day period of festivities called Navratri, and Dashera being on the 10th day. Dashera is a celebration of triumph of God, good over evil, but is also the beginning of the harvest season. People worship Mother Goddess during Navratri by lighting an earthen pot filled with holes. The light from the hole symbolically represents the goddess. So, kids, now let's spin to Forum Ma'am and seek the blessings from Goddess.
Good afternoon, children, and good afternoon to everybody. So, let's do the darshan of Goddess Bautrama and Gayatri Mata. This is how the stapna is done at the home. Can you see, children? This is how the stapna is done at the home. This is called the garbo. It is the clay pot. Okay, it is a clay pot symbolizing Garba, a remembrance of whom we we lit this clay pot, and it is believed to represent a soul. So, and we do arti twice a day, offering prasad of sweets and fruits. So let us all join together, join our hands, and pray to Goddess for the betterment of everyone. So all of you join your hands. So all of us together, let's say, Jai Bhavani, Jai Ambe.
जय भवानी जय अम्बे जय भवानी जय अम्बे जय अम्बे जय भवानी जय अम्बे जय भवानी जय अम्बे
Forum ma'am for sharing the Garbha Sthapana information with us. So now with the blessings of Goddess Durga, let us get on the floor and play Garba. Over to you, Zil ma'am.
Thank you so much, Aarti ma'am. So, good afternoon once again, everybody. Wishing you all a very happy Navratri and happy Dashera in advance. So, are you ready to dance? Yes or no?
Yes.
Started, everybody. I'll request
I request
everyone to
all the
please.
kids to switch on their videos.
Yes. Also request that all the kids please turn your video camera on. And Ishan and Siha, can you please mute yourself? I will also request all the parents around or grandparents around or any family members to join. Please join children and join us for this celebration. Let's get started. Siha and Ishan, can you please mute? Yes. Angel ma'am, please mute Ishan and Siha. Yeah, Siha has already, yeah, shared that. Okay, children, so it's time to dance. I will request you all to turn your videos on and make sure you dance along with me. Let's get started.
With DJ Dave.
So that's it for the day, children, and you are done really well. So clap hands for yourself. Come on, silent clap for yourself. That's amazing, awesome. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you, Aarti ma'am. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Zil ma'am. And kids, you all were too good. I hope you all enjoyed playing Garba. Yes or no? Okay. Yes, very nice. In Eastern India, Navratri is known as Durga Puja. And in the states like West Bengal, Odisha, Bihar, etc. These states overflow with people. They venerate Durga Ma and celebrate her triumphant slaying of the evil demon Mahisasur. There are massive pandals or stages that are constructed across the state, and idols are decorated before they are immersed in the sea to signify her return to Kailash. And now, kids, we have a surprise for you all. So let's go on a virtual field trip. You know where? A virtual field trip to Durga Pandal. Yes. Now I request everyone to let's pin to Abhivan's screen. Over to you, Abhivan.
Say hi to everyone. Say hi, everyone. So, hello, kids. How are you today? So, today we are going to take you to the virtual tour of Durga Puja Pandal. So, are you all ready? Ready? Yeah, that's it. That's it. Okay, just hold on. Just hold on. Okay. So as you can see, this is the Durga Puja Pandal. Now an Aarti is going on, so that's why it has been covered. And today's date is called Navami. It's the 9th day of the Navratri, the day before Dashera, that is Vijay Dashami. This is the pandal. We are celebrating it inside a hall because of the COVID restrictions. Now, let's have a tour of the idols. So, here you can see Goddess Durga. Can everyone see it? Is it visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So so there is a big land with Dr. Goddess Durga. Can you see it? There's a lion. The Goddess Durga has 10 hands. Can you all see it?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, so Goddess Durga has two daughters and two sons. One on the extreme right, you can see Ganesh, Ganpati Bappa, which we celebrate here. So Ganesh is a son of Durga Ma. Now, beside Ganesh, there is Lakshmi, Mata Lakshmi. She is the daughter of Ma Durga. On the left hand side of Ma Durga, there is Goddess Saraswati. So we all celebrate Saraswati Puja. Children, we all celebrate Saraswati Puja, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is the goddess of knowledge. And then there is Lord Karthik. He is another son of Goddess Durga. So Ma Durga is the symbol of this Durga Puja is the win of truth over all the mishappenings happening around us. So this is symbolizing that how truth always wins. Can you see the arms and hands of Ma Durga? Children, is it visible?
Yes. Sir.
Thank you, Iman.
And can you all see lion and Mahishasur, the demon
Yes.
Mahishasur?
Yes.
Yeah, that is Mahishasur. He used to do lots of things. He never listened to anyone. That's why Ma Durga was punishing him. So children, we should always obey things. We should always follow rules. And we will be, when we grown up, we will be a good citizen, right? Yeah. So now the puja is going on. This is the Navami puja. And everybody is here who are celebrating this. So hope you guys all enjoyed this tour, virtual tour.
Yes.
You-
I enjoy.
Yeah,
Yes. Thank you so much.
thank you. Thank you.
Everybody, let's thank Abhivan and his family.
Thank you so much, everyone, and his parents.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for taking us on this virtual trip.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Okay.
Bye,
Thank you
everyone.
so much, sir. Wish you the same. Okay, kids, everybody on mute.
Thank you.
You know, kids, King Ravan is known as Dashamukh or Dashanan. Many people say that his 10 heads represents the 6 Shastras and 4 Vedas, all of which Ravan had in-depth knowledge. And many believe that his 10 heads signifies emotions such as lust, anger, delusion, greed, pride, envy, mind, intellect, will, and ego. All these constitute the 10 heads. Like Ravan, we also have emotions and are led by them. And this Dashera, let us all take an oath to burn these negative emotions and be led by compassion and love for all the beings. So let us all write 10 emotions on these 10 heads. Okay, kids, you have this Ravan which we had made in our art class. Can you all bring it, please? And you know what? We will write all 10 emotions on these 10 heads. Okay. Yes, parents, kindly please help them to write these emotions. You have to write 5 positive emotions and 5 negative emotions. So are we all ready? See, Ravan have 10 heads, right? So on 5 head, we have to write positive emotion. On the other 5, we have to write 5 negative emotions. And what are they? So let's start writing with some positive emotions. So let's write joy. What is the positive emotion? Joy. The first one is joy.
We request parents to kindly help the kids, especially nursery parents. And we'll be writing the spellings in the chat box so other kids can see from there and copy the words. Okay?
First positive emotion is joy. Yes. The second positive emotion is kindness. So on the second head of Ravan, we will write kindness. Third positive emotion is sharing. Third is sharing. Fourth positive emotion is helping. Fourth positive emotion is helping. And the fifth one is being curious. The fifth positive emotion is being curious. So yes, we are done with 5 positive emotions: joy, kindness, sharing, helping, and being curious. Now let's write 5 negative emotions. First one is not listening. The first negative emotion is not listening. The second negative emotion is hitting. The second negative emotion is hitting. The third negative emotion is moodiness. Moodiness. The third one is moodiness. Fourth negative emotion is anger. Let's write the next emotion is anger. And the last one is fear. And the last emotion, negative emotion, is fear. So are we done? Writing 10 emotions, 5 positive and 5 negative. Okay, well done everyone. So this Dashera, I want you all to promise me that you all are going to overcome this negative emotions and become a good human being. Yes, kids? And you know what you have to do now? You will tear the negative emotions. Okay? Promise me that you are going to overcome this negative emotions. And you have written 5 negative emotions now. Yes? So now you will tear those 5 negative emotions. Okay? So this Dashera, I want you all to promise me that you all are going to overcome this negative emotions and become a good human being. Yes, kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very nice. And I want everyone to tear the negative emotions. You have to tear it. Yes, very good. Good job, everyone. Nice. I hope you all enjoyed it. Okay. So before we end, we would like to express a heartfelt thanks to all those who have contributed in making this program an enjoyable experience. A special thanks to Abhivan's parent for an enriching visit of Durga Pandal. We like to thank each of you parents as you have been a constant support throughout. We want to thank the management for their logistic support, encouragement, and guidance at every step. We are thankful to Hina ma'am and Tejal ma'am for their remarkable presence, guidance, and constant motivation. And Nishta ma'am for supporting us in practical ways behind the scene. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot,
Bye bye, everyone.
Bye, teacher.